Hey, welcome to Wealthflow Bots. I'm Sam. We've built 3 different trading bots for 3 different categories of traders. In this short video, I'll show you what each bot does, who it's built for, where to find it inside your dashboard, and how to get started. Let's begin. Bot 1, the free bot. Our free bot is a special gift for beginner traders, traders tired of blowing accounts, anyone looking for a safe trading bot without paying a dime. Key features: lifetime free access, no VPS required, works on mobile, compatible with accounts from as low as $100, average growth of 0.5 to 2% daily, built-in stop loss, take profit, and multiple risk protection systems. How to activate it. After signing up, simply go to your dashboard. Click Products. You'll see Free Bot Gift. Open it and you'll find Full Bot Overview, Myfxbook track records, Trustpilot reviews, video testimonials, step-by-step activation guide. Follow the instructions, and in less than 15 minutes, your free bot can be up and running. Once you've built confidence with the free bot, you can upgrade to one of our advanced systems. Bot 2, Tinga Beast. Tinga Beast is the world's first session-based trading bot, built for traders who want to aggressively grow their accounts. Depending on the version you choose, it's designed to target sessions ranging from 50% all the way up to 10,000%. Inside the product page, you'll find complete overview, Myfxbook track records, session tutorials, setup guides, everything you need to start running profitable sessions. Bot 3, Prop King. Prop King was built specifically for traders who want to pass prop firm challenges and earn consistent payouts. It works with instant funded accounts, 1-step challenges, 2-step challenges, and 3-step challenges. As long as the prop firm allows automated trading, Prop King is designed to help you trade within their rules. It supports firms such as FTMO, Funded Next, and many others. Inside the product page, you'll find live track records, user payout certificates, bot performance, complete setup tutorials, everything you need to get started. Every premium bot comes with a dedicated bot manager who will guide you through setup, answer your questions, and help you get everything running smoothly. Our goal isn't just to give you software, it's to help you use it successfully. That's a quick overview of the 3 bots available inside Wealthflow Bots. If you're just getting started, I recommend activating the free bot first. Build confidence, see the results for yourself. Then, when you're ready to scale, you can move up to Tinga Beast or Prop King. Welcome once again. Let's get your first bot running.